So this is my sign of non-traditional fall colors. Just keeping with the theme of the color of my house on the outside, pretty much. And this is my homemade sign. So far I pre-filled my pots. These white ones, I picked them up from Ollie's for half the price, which was $12.99 regular price. I got them for $6.50. And I've already had this pot. It stays on my front porch. I pulled out my little stool and a pumpkin. Not gonna do too much. Rosebush is still doing good. And we're into the fall season. Coming around to my front porch. This is how I've decorated for this season. Fall has come in and I am excited. It is cooling off. It's no longer hot out here. This lantern, I picked it up from At Home. It was in the clearance section. It was damaged. I got it at a small fraction of a price. $6.99. Couldn't believe it. The glass was cracked and all I did was just turn it to the side. Eventually I'll replace the glass, but for now it's gonna sit right here. The mums, I picked them up from Walmart at $4.97 each. I picked up 3. The flower pots, the cream flower pots, I picked them up from Ollie's. Regular price $12.99. I got them at half price at $6.50. Picked up 2 of those. The pumpkin, I picked it up from Lowe's. The pine cones, I got these straight out of my sister's yard. She has plenty. And the fall sign, it's homemade, but I like it. It matches my house. I have a non-traditional colors going on out here. And the hat, I picked it up from Walmart in the kids section, specifically for the sign. It's that time of season to bundle up. The mat, I picked it up from Gabe's. I think it was $12.99. I thought it was a great deal. And the hello sign came from Hobby Lobby. And at the time, I think it was a half off on those signs. So I think this came up to, I think it was like $7.99. I'm not sure, but all in all, it's not a lot going on. I don't live far from the hood. Don't want to put a lot of stuff out here and wake up the next morning and I'll be gone. So this is what I have. I like it. I think it's really cute. Eventually, when I find the perfect wreath for my front door, I'll hang it there and I'll come back and show it to you. I'm working my way on the inside of the house to show you what I got going on in there. So last week's video, if you haven't watched it, go watch it. It was me taking my shutters down, washing them, repainting them, and reinstalling them because they were really faded. I painted my front door, and so this is the front door here. And I absolutely love this. This is so cute. Okay, see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment below, give me a thumbs up for this video. I know it's not much, but you know, go ahead and thumbs up my video. And I will see you in the next one.